stayed at Sun City's most luxurious and affordable hotel room, so I want to give you guys a room tour. Needless to say, the hospitality of the staff was incredible, but the actual experience of being in this luxurious hotel was phenomenal. This hotel is for anybody that's looking for an affordable stay at Sun City Resorts. This hotel is called Sun City Hotel, and it is packed with amenities. The design itself is so well done. There's a lot of marble, there's a lot of wood elements that genuinely just make you feel so cozy and like you're at home. Just because it's affordable does not mean that they've skipped out on any form of luxury. They have every single thing that you could possibly find in a 5-star hotel. Not to mention how amazing their hospitality is. The staff kept coming to check in on us every hour and a half to just see if everything is fine, if we need a room clean up, anything that we could possibly want. Not to mention the balcony view, guys. Look at this. It is fantastic. It is the best thing that I've genuinely ever seen. You wake up to early birds chirping right in your ear, and it is the best experience ever. And it is genuinely the best place for aesthetic purposes. If you want to take a lot of photos or you want to film some videos, it is amazing. Save this video for your next trip to Sun City, and don't forget to follow along for more videos.